Hello, fantastic storytellers! Are you ready for another round of storytelling magic? Today we're going to explore the art of crafting enchanting tales that will transport your audience into worlds of wonder and joy. Get ready to unleash your creativity and let your imagination take flight. Are you excited? Let's dive in! Tip 1. Dream up a whirlwind of worlds. Close your eyes and imagine a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Picture lands of talking toys, galaxies of friendly aliens, or even islands made of giant marshmallows. For example, in a galaxy far, far away where clouds were made of cotton candy and stars twinkled like chocolate chips, there lived a curious robot named Spark. Can you envision Spark in your galaxy of sweet wonders? What other whimsical worlds can you dream up? Tip 2. Breathe life into your characters. Make your characters unforgettable by giving them unique qualities. Describe how they look, what makes them special, and the adventures that light up their eyes. Let's try it out. Spark had shiny silver gears and eyes that glowed with curiosity. His best friend was a talking comet named Twinkle, who always shared the latest space gossip. Can you picture Spark and Twinkle in your mind? What special qualities do your characters possess? Tip 3. Infuse energy with dynamic actions. Keep your story lively by letting your characters engage in exciting activities. They can dance, fly, or even embark on quests for hidden treasures. Like this, one cosmic afternoon, Spark and Twinkle decided to have a moonlit dance party on Jupiter. They leapt from crater to crater, creating ripples of stardust that painted the night sky. What energetic actions can your characters perform? Maybe they discover a portal that leads to a planet of perpetual laughter. Tip 4. Confront challenges and seek solutions. Great stories often feature challenges that test the mettle of your characters. Introduce a problem for your characters to solve. For example, suddenly, a space-time glitch disrupted the dance party, trapping them on a glittery asteroid. But Spark, being the resourceful robot he was, tinkered with his gears and built a cosmic catapult to fling them back to safety. What challenges can your characters overcome? Perhaps they find themselves in a maze of riddles in the puzzle galaxy. Tip 5. Conclude with a magical finale. End your story with a magical ending that leaves a lasting impression. For example, the space creatures threw a cosmic carnival in their honor, and Spark realized that the real treasure was the friendships they had across the galaxies. What magical endings can your stories unfold? Maybe your characters discover a treasure chest filled with laughter gems. Now it's your turn to shine. Grab your storytelling tools, whether it's a notebook, a crayon, or your imagination, and let the tales flow from your heart. Share your stories with friends, family, or even your favorite stuffed animal. The more stories you tell, the more enchanted your storytelling will become. So go ahead, storytellers, and paint the world with the colors of your imagination. Happy storytelling adventures! Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and to subscribe to our channel for much more.